Well, what's going on, guys? It's been a crappy week. As far as farming goes, it's going good. But as far as filming goes, it's going pretty crappy. We had 3 videos filmed, and I went to edit them last night. And Mac, Apple, whatever the hell you want to call it, they're pretty proud of their shit, and I can't figure the dang thing out. I guess I'm just a, 70-year-old man trapped in a 20-year-old body, but I can't figure out technology to save my life. I had a HP before, and it was just basic stuff. You just click on stuff, and everything was normal, like the computers you had when you were in school. Oh, looky there. Looky there. But anyway, I clicked on something, thought it was another thing, ended up deleting all the footage. And then the SD card that we used to film it, I don't even know what it did, but the SD card doesn't work anymore. It's full, and I can't figure out how to delete stuff on it, and I can't format it or anything. So whatever, I guess that's not a big deal. What we need to get done is farming. But I did have, Ross and I had 3 videos filmed, and oh well, we're gonna start from scratch. We have about 400 acres of beans cut. We had a lot of stuff. Whatever, we just had a lot of stuff. But day's about over. We got moved to a new field, about 40 acres in here. I think we will be able to get it almost done tonight. The elevators are closed, and we can get about 15 acres and the auger cart and then the semi. So we'll probably just do that. We don't have our auger set at the shop yet, so yep, that's what we're gonna do. So I guess I'll ride around with Ross and Dad and see if I can delete 3 more videos in the process. I gotta run up here real quick and get in the tractor with Ross before he leaves me. Hold on, Ross, don't leave me. Make sure he sees me so he doesn't run me over. Can I ride with you? Do we have a charger in here? Nice. Here. You got it. Plug it through a little bit. Here. The GoPro's about dead, so we're gonna charge her for a little bit. His lights are on. What's that mean, bud?
He's about full, boys.
What are you doing there?
Coloring board in rows will get you.
Inrows will get you. I think just cutting beans will get you.
Oh, that too.
Cutting beans is pretty slow. Well, why don't you show everybody your creations here?
What do you mean?
What? Let's see your best one. Did you draw that yourself?
No.
Better see what Dad's doing real quick first. He'd get pissed if we're just sitting over here coloring with our thumbs up our butt. Oh, looky there. Look at that one. Bambi. Wow.
It's not even my best
It's
word.
Bob Ross.
That's my best word right there.
Click on it. Wow. What? Speed that up. Alright, there we go. Look at that. Alright, Big D, let's dump your load on us. Look at him. He's just grinning in there. Oh, he's on the phone. Figures.
Now look what you did. You made me have to watch another ad.
Oh, look at there. Yep. Well guys, we almost have a semi load, so that means I gotta go grab the semi. Oh man, I'm getting old, I think. We're not too far from the shop, so we're just opening this field up just now, so we left the semi back at the shop because it's honestly kind of tight back here. I'm gonna get the drone out here later tonight, I think, and you guys will be able to see that. It'd be, if we didn't have the oh crap, if we didn't have the ends opened up out here, it'd be a pain in the butt getting that semi out here. I gotta get all turned around here because we don't have the opening down there cut yet, so I gotta go this way. So I'll see you guys at the semi. Yeah, I'll just give you a little preview of what the opening looks like coming back here. It's a little easement. I think it's an easement with the railroad, and they don't keep it up very well, and there's so much stuff laying around back here that it's kind of pointless to bring a bush hog back here and try to keep it cleaned up, because we'd end up just having to buy new parts for the bush hog all the time. So it's kind of just a mess back here. All right, well, we'll stop here real quick, turn this semi on, let it warm up, get air build up. Oh yeah. I'm gonna plug my phone in. You gotta have your phone ready. Alrighty, we'll head back to the field. I've seen its better days. Alrighty, well, we just pulled in here. I don't remember what we did last year, how we pulled in here. We might have gone in right there, or we might have gone in up here. I think I'm gonna pull in right here. Looks like he has a few end rows off. He might get pissed at me for coming this way, but I just don't remember which way we did it. There he is right there, so if he's gonna be pissed at me, he's gonna be pissed right now. So we'll be able to tell when he gets over to us. She's pretty dusty this year, boys and girls. Wait for it. There we go, there's the dust. Gee whiz. Well, I think I can get turned around out here now. Yeah, you can definitely tell we haven't gotten any rain in a few days, or a month, maybe two. Alrighty, here we go. Let's get turned around here. I'm gonna be honest, I forgot there was some left in here. We finished filling that bin over there. I bet Ross doesn't know. There's still some in this side. A little bit in there. There's beans left. There's beans left in here. He's got eyes on him now. Pressure's on. Pressure's on, see if he can fill her up. Give me a load, old son. Well, I just filmed the whole outro, and the GoPro wasn't even recording. But we got the semi filled up. I brought the drone, but it's kind of gloomy, and it's kind of, the wind's picking up a little bit, so I think I'm going to keep the drone in its box tonight. Not going to fly it tonight, but I will get it up in the air hopefully a few times before harvest is over. And then I'll probably get it up in the air when we're deer hunting too. Well, not while we're deer hunting, but during deer season. But I think tonight we're probably just going to finish filling up the auger cart, and then tomorrow morning we're going to have to set the auger on the grain bin at the shop so we can haul into the bins. But we'll probably be going to Gavilan quite a bit tomorrow, so I think that's all we have for today, unless something pops up. I don't know, unless something pops up. But if you like these videos, be sure to hit that thumbs up, because more people hit the thumbs up, more people YouTube shows our videos to. So if you would do that, that'd be great. And if you like the videos and like the channel, be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.